Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, we are going to see one of the latest recruitment notification from IBPS. Now, this recruitment is for the recruitment of officers scale 1, 2 and 3 and officer assistant multipurpose in the regional rural banks. So the post, as I told you, officers scale 1, 2 and 3 and office assistant multipurpose. And if you look at the vacancies, the total number of vacancies is 11,687. So in that office assistant, so this is like throughout India. So office assistant 6,101 and officer scale 1 is 4,257 and officer scale 2 there is opening for agricultural officer, marketing officer, treasury manager, law, CA, IT and general banking officer, and general banking is 917 and officer scale 3 is 213. So put together 11,687. So state wise vacancies, if you want to look at the state wise vacancies, you can actually download the state wise vacancy list from our Telegram channel, link to which is available in the description below. So coming to the salary for the office assistant, okay, it is closer to 20,000. And for the officer scale 1 it is closer to 35,000 and for scale 2 it is closer to 40,000 and for scale 3 it is more than about 45,000 is the take home salary per a month. Of course, like being like under these are like the banks, okay, where you get a lot of apart from the salary, you also get a lot of like privileges. So important dates, the online payment as process has already started, is going on from June 8th and the last date to apply is 28th June 2021. And so the important dates, so tentatively downloading of call letters can be in July, August, and online preliminary examination is scheduled on August 2021, and result of preliminary can be expected in September, and the main exam can be in September or October 2021, and then for the post for which interviews may be conducted, it can be possibly in October, November 2021, and the provisional allotment will happen somewhere in January 2022. So all this is tentative. Now, very importantly, as far as the educational qualification is concerned, whatever you're applying, the results should have been already declared. Okay, so it should be a valid degree from recognized, like university institution and all that, and the result should have been declared before 28th of June 2021. And coming to the eligibility criteria, nationality should be an Indian, and as far as the age is concerned, for office assistant, it should be between 18 to 28 years. For officer scale 1 assistant manager, 18 to 30 years. For scale 2 manager, it is 21 to 32 years. And for scale 3 senior manager, it is 21 to 40 years. And for all these categories, there is a relaxation in the age limit depending upon the category to which you belong to. So for example, for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidates, 5 years, OBC candidates, 3 years, and so on. And coming to the educational qualification, I'll go one by one. So for the office assistant multi-purpose, bachelor degree in any discipline, and a proficiency in the local language is described. So for example, if you want to work in a Tamil Nadu bank, you should know the local language proficiency of Tamil. Okay, so likewise, if you want to be in Orissa, you should have the local language Odisha proficiency there, and so on. And also a desirable one is working knowledge in working knowledge of computer. And as far as officers scale 1 assistant manager, a bachelor's degree in any discipline. Now apart from that, they have said that preference will be given to people having degrees in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering, pisciculture, agriculture, marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy. So these disciplines will be given preference. And for this post also, proficiency is language is expected, and desirable working knowledge of computer. Then officer scale 2. Now in this we'll go one by one via specialization. So first general banking officer, 50% in the degree, and then preference to the same set of disciplines. Then here experience is also expected. 2 years work experience as an officer in a bank or a financial institution. Now coming to the educational experience of various other special officers in the officer 2 grade. So for the IT officer, 1 year experience and degree in electronics communication, computer science, information technology, and desirable a certificate in ASP, PHP, C++, Java, VB, VC, OCP, etc. And for the chartered accountants, certified associate from the Institute of Chartered Accounts of India, and 1 year experience as a chartered accountant. And for the law officers, degree from recognized university in law or its equivalent with the minimum of 50% marks in aggregate, and 2 years as an advocate or should have worked as a law officer in bank or financial institutions for a period of not less than 2 years. That's for the law officers. Now, continuing with this officer scale to specialist officer. Now, for the treasury manager, chartered accountant or MBA in finance from a recognized institution and 1 year experience in the relevant field. For the marketing experience, for the marketing officer, MBA in marketing from a recognized university and 1 year experience in the relevant field. For the agriculture officer, bachelor's degree in agriculture, horticulture, dairy, animal husbandry, etc., and 2 year experience in the relevant field. Now, for the senior manager, bachelor's degree in any discipline and with minimum 50% of marks, and the preference will be given to the earlier said disciplines, and a minimum of 5 year experience as an officer in a bank or a financial institution. So, minimum of 5 year experience for the senior manager post. And so, now coming to what is the meaning of proficiency in local language? Proficiency mean for the officer scale 1 and office assistant. So, proficiency in local language was mentioned. So, meaning is that so if whatever is that local language, whether it is Odia or Marathi or Telugu or Tamil or Malayalam, whatever it is. Now, the candidate should have studied that language up to class 8. Okay. Or if suppose the candidate doesn't meet the criteria, then the candidate will be given 6 months time to acquire that proficiency. Okay, now this time can be extended by the boards of RRBs within the framework of rules. Okay, that is it should not beyond it should not extend, the extension should not go beyond the probation period. Okay, so before that period, if the candidate is able to acquire the proficiency, then it is fine. Otherwise, the candidate should have studied that local language up to eighth class. So that's about the proficiency in local language. Now we'll go to the exams. Okay, so for the office assistant multipurpose and for officer scale 1, you have a preliminary exam, the reasoning, numerical ability. Okay, now you can find videos related to this in our channel. Now please remember, for all these multiple choice exam, for the wrong answers there is a negative mark of 1/4. There is a negative mark of 0.25 or 1/4 for any wrong answer. And also remember, so once the preliminary exam scores are considered only as a qualification for the main examination. Okay, it will not be considered in the final merit list. Preliminary score will not be considered in the main in the final merit list. It is merely a qualification for the selection. It is only for the selection to the main examination. Okay, so preliminary examination, 40 questions reasoning, 40 question numerical ability, both for office assistant and officer scale, and we can find videos pertaining to this in our channel. And so coming to the main examination for office assistant and officer scale, so you have reasoning, computer knowledge, general awareness, and you can choose between either English language or Hindi language, and numerical ability. Okay, so totally like 5 sections. Okay, now this star here means you can write this in any of your local language. You can write the all these except the English language. Okay, again, as far as English and Hindi, you can choose either English or either Hindi. You can choose between English or Hindi. Now this is optional. You can choose between English or Hindi, and as far as this is concerned, okay, the medium of the exam, it is now that is applicable here as well. Okay, so if you want, you can write it in Tamil or Malayalam, whatever is the local language that you want to write. Okay, so this is applicable for these posts, right? Now coming to general banking officer, in officer scale to general banking officer. So the medium of the exam is either Hindi or English, and now for all these you have 1/4 negative mark as far as the objective type is concerned. Okay, so here for the officer scale 2, you don't have two levels of exam, you have only a single level of exam, total of 2 hours. So you can look at the uh, titles here. So now this is for the specialist cadre. Okay, so professional knowledge will be in the respective specialization which the candidates have opted for, and then reasoning, financial awareness, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude, and data interpretation. Now this is for officer scale 3. Okay, so here again the medium is either Hindi or English, and you have reasoning, computer knowledge, financial awareness, English knowledge, quantitative aptitude, and data interpretation. So for all these exams, the videos related to quantitative aptitude, data interpretation, and reasoning, you can find it from our channel Learning About. It's very much available. Now coming to the selection process, very important. So for the office assistant multipurpose, you have the preliminary exam and then the main exam, and your final merit list is purely only based on the main exam. Okay. Now as far as the officer scale 1 is concerned, okay, now preliminary exam and the main exam, and the final is considered, final merit list is based on the main exam and the interview. Now for which this is 80 and this is 20. So weightage is 80 marks for the main exam and 20 for the interview. Now similarly, so this anyhow is a single level exam. So here it is 80 and interview is 20. And for this also it is same 80 and 20. Okay. Now how to apply? The link to apply is given in the description below. So whichever exam you want to apply, it's labeled below in the description. You can click on that link to apply. But before that, just see the further instructions. So application fee 175 rupees for the candidates belonging to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and persons with benchmark disabilities, and 850 for all others. And this is the dimension for the photograph, signature, left thumb impression, and a handwritten declaration. So again, handwritten declaration also, it should be written in English only, in white paper with black ink. But the template for that is available in our channel. You can download from our Telegram channel. So look at the dimensions and then please prepare accordingly. Now these are the documents, like to be produced. Okay, so you can produce any one of these documents. I mean, ID cards, like along with your admit card when you go for your preliminary or the main examination or for the interview. And you should retain the admit card for the preliminary examination right until the end of the document verification. So reservation, the usual norms are followed as far as the reservation is concerned. And for the detailed split up of vacancies, including all the reservation and all the details, you can download it from our Telegram channel and then you can look at it. So I hope the information I have provided in this video is useful to you. For more videos on job alerts, aptitude, reasoning, and general awareness, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.